Hello everyone. Imagine a world where financial success and personal development unites to create a life of your dreams. In today's video, I'm going to be unveiling the ultimate secret to building wealth through the transformative power of personal development. So get ready to embark on a journey that will forever change the way you view building wealth and personal development. Without further ado, let's get started. First ultimate secret to building wealth through personal development is setting a clear financial goal. These are not just any goals, they are smart goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So for example, if you have a financial goal of $20,000, you have to have a clear plan that is specific, that is measurable, that is achievable, that is relevant, and that is also time bound. Without incorporating these things, it would be very difficult for you to be able to achieve these goals. Setting goals is just the beginning. The second ultimate secret to building wealth through personal development is understanding the power of knowledge. So embarking on a journey of financial education is very important. So buying books, courses, online resources on finance to learn about budgeting, investing, and wealth building strategies allow you to gain a piece of wisdom and build your confidence. Continue to learn more about finance, you get to realize that paying off your debt is also necessary, which is the third ultimate secret to building wealth through personal development. We all know that high interest debt are like fire-breathing dragon that threatens to consume our resources. So in order for this not to happen, we have to act swiftly. That in mind, we have to have the determination to stay focused on paying off our credit cards and our loans one debt at a time. So with each payment we make towards the credit card or the loan, it frees up more funds. That way we are able to save and also start investing. As you continue to pay off your debt and more funds are being freed up, you begin to realize that taking control of your finance requires discipline. Therefore, creating a budget, a map to guide your financial decision is the fourth ultimate secret to building wealth through personal development. So you start to track your income and your expenses to make sure that every dollar has its purpose. But not only that, you also start to prioritize savings, building emergency funds that will help you in case of setbacks. As you're freeing up more funds, you start to understand that to truly flourish, you have to have your money working for you. So then you venture out to the mysterious world of investment, which is the fifth ultimate secret to building wealth through personal development. During your discovery of investment, you get to learn about stocks, you get to learn about bonds, you get to learn about mutual funds, and you also get to learn about real estate. Because this is a new financial territory for you, you will then seek advice from mentors. You will also seek advice from financial advisors who will guide you through the path of investment. And as you learn from these financial advisors, you will get to learn about diversifying your portfolio, which will reduce your financial risk. Continue on the journey to building wealth through personal development. You are going to experience some trials and you're also going to experience some triumph. Through this process, you get to gain a lot of knowledge, you get to pay off your debt, and you also multiply your wealth through strategic investment. As always, thank you so much for watching. For more content on finance, click on the video over here.